வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனலோட பேர் கண்ணன் டியூஷன் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோவில் பிஜி டிஆர்பி காமர்ஸுக்கான 9வது மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டு பார்க்க போகிறோம். இது பார்ட் 1 வீடியோவிலேருந்து பார்ட் 30 வீடியோ வரைக்கும் உள்ள 900 MCQலேருந்து 100 MCQ செலக்ட் பண்ணி கேட்டிருக்கோம். இந்த டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி உங்களுக்கு மினிமம் 1 hour ஃப்ரீ டைம் கிடைக்குமான்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. இந்த டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு தேவையான பென்னும் பேப்பரும் கையில் எடுத்து வச்சுக்கோங்க. இந்த டெஸ்ட்டை ஆன்சர் பண்ணும்போது கொஸ்டின் நம்பரையும் ஆப்ஷன் நம்பரையும் எழுதினா மட்டும் போதும். இதோட ஆன்சர் கடைசி பார்ட்டில் போட்டிருக்கோம். நீங்களே உங்களோட ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டை கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போது வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், which one of the following is not concerned with the valuation of goodwill? A. Earning capacity method. B. Super profit method. C. Average profit method. D. Annuity method. Second one, in action type, pricing one seller and many buyers called. இன்னொரு வாட்டி படிக்கிறேன். In action type pricing, one seller and many buyers called. A. Dutch action. B. English action. C. Sealed bid action. D. Descending bids action. Third one, an internal audit is must suitable where A. There is no urgency to finalize the accounts on a particular date. B. There is an urgency to finalize the accounts on a particular date. C. A system of internal check in operation is not satisfactory. D. There are more transaction and complication. Fourth one, cash from operation is equal to A. Net profit plus increase in outstanding expense. B. Net profit plus increase in stock. C. Net profit plus increase in debtors. D. Net profit plus increase in bills receivable. Fifth one, dividing the assets available for the equity shareholders for the number of equity shares is called as A. Net worth basis. B. Intrinsic value of share. C. Net payment method. D. Lump sum payment. 6. Statistics can be considered as A. An art. B. Science. C. Both A and B. D. Neither art nor science. Seventh one, which of the following control accounts always shown a debit balance? A. Factory overhead control account. B. Work in progress ledger control account. C. Cost ledger control account. D. All of the above. Eighth one, the eyes and ears of business is A. Marketing of goods. B. Functions of marketing. C. Commerce and trade. D. Commerce and industry. Ninth one, appointment of auditors are made by management in A. Internal audit. B. Statutory audit. C. Complete audit. D. Periodical audit. 10. Which one of the following is an intangible asset? A. Furniture. B. Patent right. C. Loose tools. D. Investment in shares. 11th one, development of a new product brings A. Farm utility. B. Place utility. C. Time utility. D. Possession utility. Twelve. Dash is an ex-ante analysis. A. Project estimation. B. Project designing. C. Project appraisal. D. Present value performance. 13. The bank is bound to make payment to the court or to the judgment creditor only after receipt of A. Order of attachment. B. Order absolute. C. Order missed. D. Prohibitory order. A loan payable in a longer period with lesser rate of interest is named as A. Clean loan. B. Soft loan. C. Secured loan. D. Term loan. 15. Cash from operation is equal to A. Net profit plus increase in outstanding expenses. B. Net profit plus increase in debtors. C. Net profit plus increase in stock. D. Net profit plus increase in bills receivable. 16. CRISIL was set up in A. 1990, B. 1988, C. 1992, D. 1995. 17. When key variables are changed and the resulting change in the rate of return or the NPV is observed, is called dash. A. Probability analysis, B. Sensitivity analysis, C. Conservative forecast, D. Expected values. 18. The basic function of accounting is A. To know profit or loss of the business, B. Summarizing the data, C. Classifying the data, D. Recording of all transactions of monetary nature. The lessor bears the risk of obsolescence and incidental risk is called A. Financial lease, B. Operating lease, C. Cross-border lease, D. Conveyance type lease. And in 20, an internal audit is most suitable where A. There is no urgency to finalize the accounts on a particular date, B. There is an urgency to finalize the accounts on a particular date, C. System of internal check in operation is not satisfactory, D. There are more transactions and complication. 21. When a firm is in equilibrium, its output is such that A. Cost per unit of output is lowest, B. Total profits are greater, C. Total cost are lowest, D. Profit per unit of output is greater. 22. Sources of capital that provide high risk capital for early stage and growth stage companies in various industries. A. Development and financial institutions, B. Government grants, C. Initial public offers, D. Venture capitalist. 23rd. The underwriting commission paid or agreed to be paid for issue price of shares must not exceed A. 2%, B. 2.5%, C. 5%, D 10%. 24. Verification of the authority and authenticity of a transaction as recorded in the books of account is known as A. Confirmation, B. Vouching, C. Testing, D. Examination. '25. The important objective of marginal costing care, marginal costing R. இன்னொரு வாட்டி படிக்கிறேன். 25. The important objectives of marginal costing are A. Pricing policy, B. Profit planning, C. Cost control, D. All of these. '26. Advertising appeals make people to use such articles as might affect their health. It is A. Social objection, B. Ethical objection, C. Historical objection, D. Economic objection. '27. The concept considered money as a common denominator is called A. Dual aspect concept, B. Matching concept, C. Historical cost concept, D. Money measurement concept. '28. How appointment of company secretary can be made. A. By government order, B. At AGM of the company, C. Resolution of the board, D. By managing director. '29. Bonus shares received by a dealer of shares in A. Capital receipt, B. Revenue receipt, C. Exempted income, D. None of these. 30. Section 15 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 deals with A. Bill of exchange, B. Promissory note, C. Check, D. Endorsement. 31. The interval between two annual general meetings should not be more than A. 12 months, B. 15 months, C 18 months, D 20 months. 32. How will treat uncalled capital in liquidation? A. Should not be treated as an asset. B. Should be treated as an asset. C. Should not be treated as liability. D. Should be treated as liability. (33) Which does not come under asset from the following? A. Investment. B. Prepaid insurance. C. Debtors. D. Creditors. (34) In Indian Companies Acts, rights issue of shares is dealt by A. Section 81. B. Section 91. C. Section 88. D. Section 106. (35) The following type of income in the hands of a local authority is exempted from tax as per section 10 within bracket 20 of the Income Tax Act. A. Income from house property. B. Capital gains. C. Income from other sources. D. All of the above are correct. (36) Bank loans granted to small borrowers like artisans, farmers, small industries are called A. Term loans. B. Bridge loans. C. Composite loans. D. Consumption loans. (37) Tariff that maximizes a country's welfare. A. Income tariff. B. Protection tariff. C. Optimum tariff. D. Revenue tariff. (38) A multilateral treaty that lays down agreed rules for conducting international trade is called as A. WTO. B. GATT. C. TRIM. D. TRIP. (39) The organization mobilizes savings of small investors and channelizes them into corporate investment is called as A. LIC, B. ICICI, C. UTI, D. IFCI. 40. External auditor should possess the qualification under which section of the Companies Act 1956? A. Section 228, B. Section 224, C. Section 226, D. Section 222. 41. Which one of the following institutions providing finance to industrial sector was the first to be set up? A. IRCI, B. IFCI, C. ICICI, D. IDBI. 42. Double column tariff can be A. General and conventional tariff, B. General and international tariff, C. Preferential and conventional, D. Preferential and general tariff. 43. Bridge finance is also known as A. Term finance, B. Fixed finance, C. Long term finance, D. Expansion finance. 44. In marketing, the delivery of standard of living concept is originated by A. Peter F. Drucker, B. F. F. Clerk, C. William J. Stanton, D. Paul Mazur. 45. Which of the following is known as fictitious assets? A. Goodwill, B. Patent right, C. Copyright, D. Preliminary expenses. 46. Deductions under section 88 GGA is admissible in respect of A. Donations given, B. Donations given for scientific research, protection of environment, etc., C. Donations to charitable institutions. D. None of these. 47. Which is first bank to introduce ATM in India? A. Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. B. Citibank. C. Canara Bank. D. Indian Bank. 48. The balance of trade is also known as A. Capital transfer. B. Gain from trade. C. The visible balance. D. Foreign trade. 49. Issue of share certificate must have prior sanction of A. A resolution of Board of Directors. B. Resolution of General Meeting of Shareholders. C. The central government. D. None of these. 50. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a public company? A. Separate legal entity. B. Unlimited liability. C. Perpetual succession. D. Common seal. 51. The first legislative enactment for registration of joint stock companies was passed in the year A. 1840, B. 1850, C. 1860, D. 1870. 52. Working capital is equal to A. Current asset plus current liabilities. B. Current asset minus current liabilities. C. Current asset into current liabilities. D. Current asset divided by current liabilities. 53. Payments to and by a country of debts is called as A. Balance of payment on current account. B. Balance of payment on capital account. C. SDR. D. External assistance. 54. Notice of any resolution passed at a creditors meeting shall be given by the company to the registrar within A. 10 days of the passing thereof. B. 7 days of the passing thereof. C. 30 days of the passing thereof. D. 15 days of the passing thereof. 55. Cash flow include A. Cash receipt only. B. Cash payments only. C. Cash and non-cash income and expenses. D. Cash receipt and cash payments. 56. A good advertising copy should have A. Attention value. B. Suggestive value. C. Sentimental value. D. All of the above. 57. The National Commission can entertain the complaint if the value exceeds A. Rupees 5 crore, B. Rupees 2 crores, C. Rupees 1 crore, D. Rupees 20 lakhs. 58. Expand the term ROI. A. Return on investment. B. Right on investment. C. Return on industry. D. Right on issue. 59. The earlier name of WTO was A. OECD, B. GATE, C. UNCTAD, D. UNDO. 60. The major function performed by an entrepreneur can be clubbed as dash. A. Risk bearing, organizing, innovation. B. Risk bearing, marketing, checking. C. Innovation, personal selling, organizing. D. Risk bearing, supervising, verifying. 61. Balance sheet equation is A. Asset is equal to liabilities minus equity. B. Liabilities plus asset is equal to net worth. C. Asset plus equity is equal to liabilities. D. Asset is equal to liabilities plus equity. 62. Minimum amount of investment in all current assets which is required at all times to carry out minimum level of business activities is called as A. Seasonal working capital, B. Temporary working capital. C. Permanent working capital. D. Fluctuating working capital. 63. Capitalism and socialism are dash. A. Study of economics. B. Economic values. C. Alternate forms of an economy. D. Economic decision. 64. Moral advertising is a kind of A. Press advertising. B. Miscellaneous advertising. C. Direct advertising. D. Outdoor advertising. 65. Which one of the following is not a part of memorandum? A. Alteration clause. B. Object clause. C. Name clause. D. Capital clause. 66. Which of the following is not the responsibility center? A. Expense center. B. Investment center. C. Profit center. D. Capital center. 67. Which is not true? A. Management is official. B. Management is a social process. '68. For short-term loans granted for seasonal agricultural operations, regional rural banks may avail refinance to the extent of dash. A. 20% from sponsor banks. B. 50% from NABARD. C. Both A and B. D. 25% from sponsor bank and NABARD. '69. Industrial Finance Corporation of India was established in the year A. 1964, B. 1955, C. 1948, D. 1956. '70. District Industries Centers program was initiated with the objective developing small, tiny and cottage sector industries in the year dash. A. May 1988, B. May 1978, C. May 1968, D. May 1948. 71. The main objective of cost accounting is A. Ascertainment of cost, B. Fixation of selling price, C. Presentation of cost data to management, D. All of the above. 72. The first web advertisement was placed on A. October 1994, B. October 1992, C. January 1996, D. October 2010. 73. Dividing a market into distinct groups of buyers is known as dash. A. Market positioning, B. Market segmentation, C. Market division, D. Consumer needs division. 74. In a company, inscribed stock means A. Opening stock, B. Registered stock, C. Unregistered stock, D. Closing stock. 75. The market that enables traders involved in foreign trade to get their currencies converted into foreign currencies is dash. A. Foreign exchange market, B. Financial market, C. Capital market, D. Bullion market. 76. Fixed shop retailers do not include A. Specialty shops, B. General shop, C. Street stallholders, D. Itinerants. 77. Oldest form of organization is A. Staff, B. Lion, C. Committee, D. Project. 78. What is the minimum number of directors in case of public company? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 5. 79. No company started after 1956 can never issue A. Bonus shares, B. Shares at discount, C. Equity shares, D. Deferred shares. 80. The full form of AIDS is A. Attention, interest, desire, action, sale. B, attention, innovation, desire, action, sale. C, attention, interest, desire, action, satisfaction. D, advertisement, interest, desire, action, sale. '81. The company secretary is answerable to the A, directors, B, shareholders, C, promoters, D, registrar. 82. Changes in an individual behavior due to information and experience is called as A, attitudes, B, learning, C, personality, D, all of these. 83. A private company may be wound up by the court if the number of members is reduced below A, 2, B, 5, C, 4, D, 3. 84. The assessing officer of income tax may be interested to go through certain books, account, documents, statements of the assessees before finalizing the assessment of an assessee. This is called A, assessment on the basis of return filed, B, best judgment assessment, C, enquiry before assessment, D, self-assessment. 85. Sandwich man advertisement is a form of A, indoor media, B, outdoor media, C, direct media, D, display media. 86. At the break-even point, the contribution will be equal to A, sales and total cost, B, fixed cost, C, variable cost, D, direct cost. 87. The highest administrative authority of income tax is A, CBDT, B, Finance Ministry, C, PMO office, D, President of India. 88. Doctrine of constructive notice means A, notice of alteration of object class to the registrar, B, notice of change of name to members, C. Notice to outsiders dealing with the company as to contents of memorandum and articles. D. Notice to public as to issue of prospectus. '89. The organization which has helped a greater role in the field of education and technology is A. FAO, B. UNO, C. UNESCO, D. UNICEF. 90. In liquidation, contributories means A. Shareholders, B. Debenture holders, C. Creditors, D. Public. 91. Zero-based budgeting is a new technology of A. Supervision and controlling, B. Planning and controlling, C. Planning and supervision, D. Planning and decision making. 92. TDS certificate shall be issued by the deductor to deductee in the form dash. A. Form 26, B. Form 26AS, C. Form 16, D. Form 1. 93. A multinational corporation is one which undertakes foreign investments A. Indirectly, B. Directly, C. Through the World Bank, D. Through the IMF. 94. Share capital required to own an enterprise by a woman entrepreneur is A. 40%, B. 50%, C. 51%, D. 75%. 95. Which bank first made the beginning to the introduction of merchant banking services? A. SBI, B. RBI, C. IOB, D. Indian Bank. 96. According to Clark and Clark, promotion is A. Functional exchange, B. Function of physical supply, C. Facilitating function, D. Pleasing function. 97. How much deduction of preliminary expenses shall be allowed? A. Actual expenditure incurred, or 5% of the cost of the project, or 5% of cost of capital employed of a company, whichever is more, B. Actual expenditure incurred or 5% of the cost of a project or 5% of the cost of capital employed of a company, whichever is less. C. Rupees 1 lakh. D. Up to rupees 5 lakhs. 98. Final dividend can be declared by the company at dash. A. AGM. B. EGM. C. Either AGM or EGM. D. Board meeting. 99. Banks lend against life insurance policy on the basis of A. The insured amount stated in the policy. B. Current surrender value of the policy. C. Bonus added to the policy. D. Premium paid by the policyholder. 100. Tax is chargeable to a person who is a doctor under the head. A. Salary. B. Business. C. Profession. D. Services. இப்போது 100 கொஸ்டினுக்கும் நீங்கள் ஆன்சர் எழுதிட்டீங்க. உங்களோட ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டை கையில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஆன்சர் படிக்கிறேன், ஒன் பை ஒன்னாக கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே வாங்க. 1A, 2B, 3D, 4A, 5B, 6C, 7B, 8B, 9A, 10B, 11D, 12C, 13B, 14B, 15A, 16B, 17B, 18D, 19B, 20D, 21C, 22D, 23C, 24B, 25D, 26B, 27D, 28C, 29B, 30D, 31B, 32A, 33D, 34A, 35D, 36C, 37C, 38B, 39C, 40C, 41B, 42A, 43D, 44D, 45D, 46B, 47A, 48C, 49A, 50B, 51AB, 52B, 53B, 54A, 55D, 56D, 57C, 58A, 59B, 60A, 61D, 62C, 63C, 64D, 65A, 66D, 67A, 68C, 69C, 70B, 71D, 72A, 73B, 74B, 75A, 76D, 77B, 78C, 79D, 80C, 81A, 82B, 83A, 84C, 85B, 86B, 87A, 88C, 89C, 90C, 90A, 91D, 92C, 93B, 94C, 95A, 96C, 97A, 98C, 99B, 100C. இப்போ கரெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. உங்களோட டோட்டல் மார்க் எவ்வளோன்னு பாருங்கள். மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட் பேஜில் நோட் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். இந்த எம்சிக்யூ உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் இம்மீடியட்டாக உங்களுக்கு வரும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்போஸ் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கும் தேவைப்படும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.